What's going on, people? I am here with the Yaris I grabbed off the auction. Still under £500, sub 5 bills. The worstest thing here has come with the maddest fucking sub, yeah? Hold on, I can work out these old school. 3 minutes later, I managed to find out how to open it. Right. It's a bit small. I believe it's a little 10-inch, but the way it's wired up very neatly into the back of the sub. Guess that bit can come off, most possibly. Let's see what's inside this. Dig. Oh, it's a nice little small amp. Okay, so the amp controller MXE M150CKD. I'm probably gonna see how much that's worth. It's off-roading or work-wise. Got all the wiring in the back. There's no parcel shelf. Can see it was probably used as a work car, but other than that, it's perfect. We've got the spare wheel, I believe, under there, and the jack toe iron. Yeah, a few bits. The boot is so light. The Toyota Yaris VVti. I can't lie, when I see VVti, I thought that was some sort of automatic transmission, but so from what I'm seeing, that might be a turbo, you know, a 1 litre turbo. So
cold in a Yaris, you know, man's got to sit in a Yaris, blood. What do you mean, brother? Yeah.
Bro, you didn't believe I had the sub in it? Perfect first car. It's got 85,000 on the clock. It's a 1 litre. It's the insurance group 3E, so it's cheap to run. Whoever's gonna get this, they're gonna love this. And it's got Bluetooth and a sub. The only thing it's missing is tints. You know, the little fishbowl windows. Oh, it's alright, it's alright. For a first car, you can't complain. It's cheap as chips to run. Few dents and things, but that's perfect for your first car because that's what you're gonna do anyway. So this one will be up for sale. Drove it back, it was sweet, no issues, nothing. Still got petrol in it from we picked it up, so yeah, it's a blessing. The new generation would never know what one of these are, boy. I haven't seen a Haynes manual in ages. That comes with the car too. Just also noticing that these are Yaris mats. These look like they've been in there from the car was brought out of the showroom, to be fair. Most importantly, I hope that this is worth it. I hope this is a worth it flip. So far, there's no issue, so let's see how much money we can get this for. I won it for £150 after all the auction fees, whatnot. It wasn't £150, it was much more than that. But the reason why I actually bidded on the car was pretty much for the actual subwoofer, because I know that is pretty much, once I sell that, that's everything I've wanted for. Not the bidding fees, but that's my smile on my face once I've sold that subwoofer. So to be fair, this car was literally bought ultimately for the pure fact of the subwoofer. And I've shown you in the video, it comes with a wireless remote control, base remote control thing. I don't even know how to use it, so even that will be added to the subwoofer in the sale. So yeah, happy. Today is collection day for the Yaris. We are going to prep this car for the customer, as they have told me they will love it. They've got insurance for it, so when they come, we'll sort out payment, whatnot, if it's going to be cash or bank transfer. So far, it's a lovely little profit I've made on this one. There's nothing wrong with it. I've taken out the subwoofer that was in the boot. They didn't want it, so probably should go inside. Give it a little wash. Nice little car still. Check that it's got petrol. Is this even the key for it? Oh, rascal, this is the wrong key for it, you know. Oh my days. I've got a Citroen key. A Citroen key. This is my Citroen. So yeah, I managed to get it. I managed to get it. That's what I was thinking. I don't even know how this thing works. You get me? This needs a little clean. Obviously, it's got a little dent up on the door, but at least it's not registered. You get me? No, see it there? We have a little bit of petrol in it. We have a little half a tank. Where it starts up, per. Zimmy, get a little wash.